YouTube, welcome to the shop. Got another hacker box 0038 to unbox. TechnoDactyl. Just a word real quick. Unfortunately this box is going to be late, and I actually don't know when I'm going to get it up. This is the 2nd of January, so Happy New Year everybody. Unfortunately my computer decided to die on Christmas Eve, so I'm waiting on parts. Basically, as soon as I can get my parts done or in the mail, then I'll hopefully have that up here soon, maybe at the end of the week or next week. Anyways, let's get back to this and unbox it. Gotta love those names they come up with. I'm not even going to attempt to figure out what's inside that TechnoDactyl. I see soldering braid. Can't never have enough of that. Goot soldering accessories. Made in Japan. I've gotten some of this before. This is actually pretty good stuff. I like it. USB. Where's my scissors? Huh, what is this? Well, that's interesting. Well, what have we got here? We've got all kinds of little things here. I have no idea what this is. Huh. Looking for some words on there, but I don't see anything. Nano. Can't have too many of those. Just gonna leave that in the thing. Looks like another one of whatever that thing is. And is that a USB? It says DigiSpark HW018. Well, I've got no idea. Ah, nice. This almost, yeah, I was about to say this looks like a fidget spinner, and I'm looking at it through the plastic there, and I see a ball bearing. So that's exactly what it is. It's going to be a interesting little spinner, I'm sure. Some surface mounted stuff. Oh, that should be neat. Let's see what we've got here. Interesting. Yep, that's cool. That'll be fun. Be lots of fun. Bunch of acrylic with a circuit board. I'm not going to bother to take that out of there. Little battery holder. That's interesting. Some little tiny LEDs. Some tweezers. Oh, hit the damn camera. Those actually look pretty decent. Manufactured. Huh. I want to see them. Yeah, those are actually okay. I like them. Nice pair of electronics tweezers. Whole bunch of batteries. for your fidget spinner and stuff. You've got some little jumpers, a little header there. Shearborn. I like that. That's awesome. Oh, that's funny. Hacker boxes. I can't even say it. That was cool. I got another one. Cypherpunk. Nice. Stickers. Can't have enough stickers. So that looks like a pretty good haul. You know, all kinds of stuff. Lots of soldering. Surface mount stuff. Some tools. It's pretty awesome. Alright. See you next time.